Hello, I'm David. Now I'm going to talk about what I learned in the summer course at eportfolionew. It's a ribbon hammer test to test the strength of concrete. It's a cover meter inspection. It's used to track the position of steel with breathing on the concrete. It's a half potential test. It tests the corrosion of steel. It's a infrared thermographic surface. After the lesson, we went to the laboratory and do the task. Yes, infrared thermographic surface, and then we did the ribbon hammer test. Before testing, we ensure that the ribbon hammer can get the accurate result. We draw the grid and use 12 intercept points to do the test and get a range ribbon number that can find concrete strength. The result of ribbon hammer test. Firstly, we did the half cell potential test. Our tutor teach us how to use the equipment. The voltmeter shows the potential difference. I am going to do the test and measure the corrosion of the steel. The result of the test of the sample. And then we did the cover meter inspection. We used the equipment to find the position of steel which is embedded into the concrete. Firstly, I used rotary hammer to drill the hole on the concrete surface because I need to install anchor bolt. Next, use hammer to pump the dust outside drill hole, then use vacuum cleaners to extract the dust. Next, use the torch wrench to install the expansion anchor bolt. It's cracking. After installing the anchor bolt, I tutored the pull-out test to pull out install anchor bolt. Also, we can know that which material can filter first. I'm going to attend firmware course. In the training, our tutor requires us to do the task. He requires us to do the timber firmware according to this worksheet. Firstly, we use saw blade to cut large timber panel in the certain size. Next, we use saw to cut timber strip by hand. Then we grasp the cut timber because it must be smooth that can be easy to connect the timber together. Then we ensure the strength of firmware because we will use nail to connect timber strip and panel together. Is finished. On the first day, we go to the steel workshop and learn more about it. After the lesson, we went to the laboratory to do the exercise is dry penetration test. During the test, show the cracking on the steel paint. In the afternoon, our group has to install the steel support to steel frame according to the worksheet. We decide the length of the steel support, use the hydraulic saw machine to cut the steel. Make the position which is being brought. Drill the hole by drilling machine. Drill the hole by drilling machine too. Then use the bolts to tie the steel fin and steel support. And then it's finished. On the next day, I attend a brake lesson. It's a brake. Our tutor demonstrates how to construct the wall by brake. Our tutor cleaned the desk. He checked the level of the stairs. Our tutor used the link box to mark the position which the brakes will lay out. Place the motor and block near the leg line. Place the brake on the motor. Fill the motor on the gate of brake and then finish. This another task. Our tutor demonstrates the plastering. Our tutor used tools to know the thickness of the motor. He split the motor and split out uniformly. Is finished. This another task. Our tutor demonstrates how to install tile on the wall. Use the timber strip and stud it by motor and tiles. Mark the centroid by legs because it makes the position of tiles. Spring motor on the wall. Lay the tiles on the wall. Measure the length to consider the size of the tile is needed. Cut the tiles to a certain size we need by tiles cutter and then finish. This another task. Our tutor demonstrates how to install tile on the ground, mixing the motor. Level the motor and split out the motor. Add the cement on the motor. Put the 4 flooring tiles on the motor. Split the little motor and water on the tiles and then finish. The 5th day I attend the face work lesson is a failure. It used to support formwork. Its scaffolding system is used to let people work on the high place. Start to construct the scaffolding. To ensure the scaffolding can take a certain standard load, we have sure that it is in a level. Install the vertical support and base. Install the steel platform for our school member to stand in the platform. Install the steel ladder for us to go to the platform to work. We wear safety coat and work on the platform. It's finished. On the last 2 days, I attended the concrete course. The photo shows us to do the exercise. We need to produce the concrete cubic. We are mixing material and use the material to form the concrete. The concrete cubic is formed. Then we use the compression test machine to test the compression strength of concrete cubic. The concrete is filter. The concrete filter at 383.1 kN. We use the ice strike formwork to form the ice strike concrete wall. This another task. When we get the materials, we pour the materials into a mixing machine. After we get the fresh concrete, we did the slump test because we want to know the variability of the concrete, which affects the strength of concrete. We were pouring the concrete into ice strike formwork. Then we insert the vibration rope into the concrete. The aim is to avoid the concrete to form the Henry bomb due to the gas bubble into concrete. Another aim is compact the concrete. And then the ice strike wall is finished. On first day, our tutor required us to do the square shape of the steel bar in certain length and stretch. Firstly, we used cutter bar machine to cut the steel bar in certain length. We bend the steel bar to square shape. Is our final product. This is the position we need to make the reinforcement beam. We were making the reinforcement beam. It's finished. The video is end. Thank you for your watching.